Today, I'm making balloon things. This is kind of my dog so far. Yeah, I know. This is my sword. It kind of popped at the top, so it's now kind of like a flower. I'm here joined with my sister. She's destroying the house. I'm gonna make some more balloon animals. It's gonna turn out horrible, isn't it?
Don't ask me.
Where's my balloon pump? Can you hand me the balloon pump?
Yeah, there's a balloon pump.
It's over there.
What?
I will be right back when she gives me the balloon pump. Bye! Okay, so I'm back here today. I have the balloon pump. Okay, so
Hi! I can't land it.
I'm gonna blow up a green one.
I
I won't bore you, and I will skip this part while I edit. I will be back when it is fully blown up. See you in a second. Okay, so I'm back here and I have blown it up. So I'm just gonna tie it real quickly. So I'll be back when it's done, so you guys don't have to hear the squishing sounds. Okay. All I have to do is get it off. Okay, I did it. So it's tied. One sec. Sorry, I'm back. Here's the balloon. Blown up. So that's all but I'm gonna do. That's fine. So my dog, remember? My kind of like flower. Maybe I might add this to be also the flower. Sorry if it pops. Look at, I made it already. I made a little fishy. Blub blub. I made a fish already.
Oh, single legs. Oh, single legs. Oh, the single legs. Ah! Oh, the single legs.
Stop! Did I seriously have that pause the whole? I was trying to use the instructions, but apparently it was paused. So here is a couple right here.
Disney. Oh, I think Toy Story.
No one cares.
It just randomly turned on. Don't judge if you don't like Toy Story. Say.
Then I also have some slime. Here, I'll zoom up for you guys.
Who cares? A lot of people have slime. Not everybody in the world. Because me, I don't have slime. See, not everyone has slime.
Oh gosh, oh gosh, okay. It hates me right now. I just did my... So it's 6 minutes, so I'll be right back, and I'm gonna go eat some food, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I have some Fruit Loops.
I don't really think they care. You spilled it.
I didn't spill it. Can you grab me some napkins? Napkins.
Spill it.
Can you grab me napkins, please?
You said you didn't.
Can I have napkins, please? I'm not gonna ask again, or else you won't be a part.
Shape will made or die.
I'm not gonna let you be a part of my video anymore.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, it was played this whole time, wasn't it?
I have been on YouTube before.
So here's what I have, so I'm just gonna, look at this. Doing something fun. I'm gonna have it like, maybe this could be my flower. This could be, whoa. Whatever, I'm gonna put on some music so it doesn't bore you guys. I'll be right back. Stay here, I'm gonna go turn off the TV. Okay, I didn't turn it off, but One sec, here's my favorite song. You guys can't hear it yet. Okay, here you go. Bye.